see Kennedy in you. Anyway, but I like your sincerity. No, I like your sincerity. I mean,
no.
Wontumi beko. MPs ni be so ba pamo.
Media me come as and then I say at the age of 71 I go on with that problem.
You are 71 years.
Yes, but because me first shemu me can e wa sem so wo dwene ho. Ye de obi te say Wontumi de. Ye ka say because you pay obi o bias.
It is a moment on November 4th, Kennedy Agyapong winning the MPP Prabe flag bearer. Possibly Wontumi no nyadwuma.
One I saw near Yajuma, he has here near Yajuma. A party.
Yeah.
Yen Abeko, Yakudin Kunimno. But I may say him as a person.
Yeah.
Singularly.
Yeah.
Yeah. We will campaign against him. Because men per se do be diaconia. That is where you fair to the Banyan. We're biased. How can we allow that to happen? You ask me.
No, I agree with you. I mean,
and we are saying that he has not demonstrated what it takes to be a chairman of a region.
Yeah.
He has not. I am saying that from the standpoint of his behavior. And that is all it is. I am not talking about anything animosity, but so will be a chairman or a party more. As a so a chairman, as so remain neutral. Now, one traho and kwachi will be a jumania. That person, it just happens to be Wontumi, does not qualify. And there are more other people in the system.
And they will all go.
We don't make the decision, but I say, men to my compare to
happy to have you this morning on my show. I'm grateful.
Thank you very much.
Majidi said the next time we'll have Ken Nankasa Wahani and Yam ready. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Bravo.
Thank you.
Obo Juman Sopa.